Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have talked about that what is the Now Assist and how you can enable these Now Assist plugins for ITSM and others. Also, I have talked about that what is the generative AI and how the generative AI helps in our workspace. Now today we'll talk about first how we can enable this Now Assist panel here. I have talked about that there is a Now Assist panel that you can enable that, and using this Now Assist panel, how we can works there first. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to this admin, and then under this admin, you have to go to this Now Assist admin, this space, and this is the Now Assist admin panel that you can see that. Under this Now Assist admin panels, you can see the Now Assist experience. You have to click this Now Assist experience. And once you go to this Now Assist experience, make sure that you check that under this summary here, this is turned on or not. So if it is turned on, you will be able to see the turned off button. But if it is turned off, you will be able to see the turn on button. So depending on that, what situation you are, make sure you turn on this summary panel. So once you do that on this turn on, you will be able to see there is a called CI admin console. So click on this CI admin console. You will land to another page. So this is the CI admin console, and this is basically a different actually a space. And in this case, you can see that some of them are already turned on. As you can see that Now Assist virtual agent is turned off, but Now Assist panel is turned on, right? So this Now Assist panel is turned on for the developer, but we have to enable this Now Assist panel for platform default. This one we need to turn on. So this is turned off. So you can click these sections here. So once it is open, this is the page, how it looks like that. The name, description, everything is read only. You don't need to do anything. You just need to do save and continue. So you can see the left side, overview, Now Assist skills. These are the steps. So first steps overview, you just does not need to do anything. You just do save and continue. In this case, Now Assist skill here, what skills you want to include in your Now Assist panel, that you need to select that. For the timing, everything is selected. I'm not checking or not doing anything. As you can see, the custom skills are available, AI agents are available, Now Assist topics, question and answer, everything is included here. I'm not doing any changes. I'll just go and then click save and continue. Then after that, under this display and experience page here, you just need to click here called add agents experience and select that unified navigation app shells here. And then as you can see that there are pop-up coming. So you just click add button here, and then you just go and then click save and continue. Under information and source, um, by default, whatever is search sources are selected, it will be as it is. I'm not touching there. If you want to do something, customize, you can do that. But at that moment, I'm not touching anything in this page. Now I'll go and then click save and continue. Now I will land to that chat experience. This page is little slow. You might be get some little slowness, but you will be able to find out all these options one by one. So this is the chat experience page. In this chat experience page, it shows that how this will be started, your conversations, how it will be shown during the error topic. Everything is there. If you want to customize something, you can do that. This is the prompt assist. Here, some of these are already defined. At that moment, I'm not touching this one. I'm not changing in this page. I'll go and then save and continue. And this is the final page where I need to review everything and then click turn on. So in this final page, you can see there are multiple options are showing whatever we have selected so far. And then you just click this turn on button. Once you turn on, you can see that it's saying that successfully turned on Now Assist panel under platform, and it is turned on. You can just click got it and refresh this page. Your Now Assist panel will be visible under top here. So after refresh, you can see that it's showing that Now Assist panel is enabled in the top, and it is that how the it's just enable the guided tour here. It's showing that how it works. You can see that. You can go to the next, and then finish these steps. And here you can see this, your Now Assist is enabled right now. And this is Now Assist is showing right now. So let's go back to the incident module again. And let's open this incident. So I'll just open this second incident. As you can see that here Now Assist can summarize this incident. This option was already there. I show you in the workspace. Similarly, these options summarization can be done through our Now Assist panel. So you can click here in this Now Assist panel, and here I can put similar kind of thing. So I can go back here, copy this incident number and put here and say that incident summary and hit enter. So this will also do the similar kind of like here, instead of clicking this summary button, this can also summarize that incident from the Now Assist panel. As you can see that it is summarizing the incident. It started that. And as you can see, it summarized and it is showing all this incident summary.